Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back. Today I wanted to quickly share with you guys what my top 5 cream contours are that are worth your money. Cream contours to me are a very hit or miss part of your makeup routine. I feel like they can either make or break a look, so I wanted to share with you what my top 5 cream contours are with reasons as to why they would make a great addition to your daily makeup routine. So I'm not going to keep chatting your ear off in this introduction. I want to get straight to the point. So if that is something you are interested in seeing, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first one that I'm going to recommend, I feel like everyone that I have talked to has come to the consensus that this is a fantastic product. It is the Huda Beauty Tantour Contour and Bronzer Cream. Now there are a few reasons why I believe it is worth the money that you spend on it. The first one is blendability. This product blends right into the skin. It is a bit frightening when you first use it because it does pack a mean punch, but this product is so blendable. There is not one person I can think of that would have a hard time using this product. It melts right into the skin and it really helps to add some dimension to your face. Another reason why I believe it is worth the money that you spend on it is because of its dual purpose. It has 2 purposes that it can serve. One is contour and one is bronzing. You can tackle 2 parts of makeup with this product. You can do a cream bronzer if you want to, or you can go in with a heavy cream contour. There's a lot of versatility to this product. I've seen people contour their lips with this product. It's very versatile and it's very easy to work with. It is a bit more on the pricier side, but I do believe that it is worth the money that you spend on it. The one thing that I will mention about this product is that it is not a cool toned product. If you are on the more fair side, this will definitely be more of a cream bronzer for you rather than a cream contour. The shade range is alright. This is the lightest shade in the collection, so if you are fairer than me, you might have a bit of a harder time, but going back to the blendability, I do think that if you are fairer than me, you would be able to get this to work with you. It will just act more of a cream bronzer though, rather than a cream contour. Now, if you are not wanting to spend the $30 on the Huda Tantour, I completely understand. A fantastic dupe for the Tantour is this e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. I have mine in the shade Honey Drip, and to me, this product performs exactly like the Huda Beauty product. The Huda Beauty one might be a little bit easier to blend out, and again, that blendability is kind of unmatched. But when it comes to the color, the workability, and everything else, I do find that this is a perfect dupe and is identical to the Huda Beauty Tantour. So if you are not wanting to spend that much money, I think this is a fantastic alternative. It's about $6. It's super user-friendly. The one thing I will mention though, with the Huda Beauty one, you're going to want to blend it into your skin. With this one, you're going to want to pat into the skin. The technique for application is a bit different. This one is a bit waxier, not to the point where the consistency is completely off from the Huda Beauty one. Consistency similarities are the same. This one is just a smidge waxier, so I find that the best way to apply it is just patting it into the skin. This cream contour is 100% worth your money. It's $6 and you're getting almost the same exact product as the Huda Beauty Tantour one, which is $30, which is like 5 times more. Definitely pick this one up if you haven't tried it out already. I highly doubt that you will be disappointed. Staying in that same vein of affordable makeup and drugstore makeup, I have this Milani Liquid Contour Conceal and Perfect. This is a new purchase. This is a bit more expensive than the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer, but you do not need a lot of this product. This product takes a bit more finesse than the first 2 that I have mentioned. The application is a little bit strange. I feel like it's supposed to be a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury, whatever it's called, her cream bronzer that the internet is going crazy over. I feel like if you can find a good cream contour from the drugstore, since it is so rare in my opinion, it is 100% going to be worth your money, and this is that product. The reason this product seems to stand out so much in my mind is because it is a very nice, cool toned cream contour. I feel like with a lot of drugstore cream contours and products that are in that same category, they tend to be a little bit more warm, which is great if that is the shade range that you're going for. This one is a lot cooler toned, so for all of my beauties who are more fair skinned, I think this is going to work really well for you. The applicator is a bit odd. I suggest putting some like on the back of your hand or on a palette and then working from there. This is a very thin consistency, so you're going to want to blend it out. It's not like the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. This one isn't one you're going to want to pat in. You're going to want to blend out and work a little bit quicker with it because it does set to a matte finish, which I appreciate. It's not going to go anywhere. It's not going to smudge. It's not going to ruin the integrity of your makeup that's already on. It's a very good product, and it's one that I wasn't expecting to love as much as I do, but it is very hard to come across a cool toned cream contour at the drugstore, and this one satisfies that. So I highly recommend. Another cool toned cream contour that I want to speak about is one that I have been reaching for all the time. It is the Fenty Beauty Amber Matchsticks. This is a bit more expensive than that Milani one. It's definitely on the pricier side, but this cream contour, it's what I have on today, and it honestly just like, do you see my cheekbone right there? Do you see that contour? It is the perfect shade for me. If you are fair skinned, this is going to be perfect for you. If you are on the darker side, this might come off as ashy just because it has such a cool undertone to it. But if you are fair, this is definitely going to work for you. It's going to look like an actual shadow on your face. The one thing that kind of made me not use this for years is the packaging and the way that the product applies when it comes out straight out of the bullet. It is a waxy product, and because of that, I find that the best way to apply it is with a brush like this, and then using that to apply onto your face. I think if you go straight in with the bullet and then try to blend it out, you're going to run into some problems with your foundation and also with trying to blend this out, as it is a bit more waxy, which makes it a bit harder to blend out. But if you do know like the correct way or the easiest way to apply this, it's totally going to work for you, and it's going to change your contour game. I honestly didn't think that I would be able to find a contour that would work for me that would actually look like a shadow, because it's so hard to come across those anymore. I feel like a lot of them are very warm toned. Another reason why I believe this to be worth your money and worth the money that you're going to spend on it is because you do not need a lot when you work with this product. You need a very minimal amount to just pat into the skin to give you some definition, and because of that, the product is going to last you for a really long time. You're going to get a lot of longevity out of this, and it's going to be worth all the money that you spend on it. I love this product, especially now in the winter months. It's just giving me fantastic contour that actually changes the shape of my face, because there are a lot of cream contours that'll just kind of give you some dimension but not actually change the structure of your face, and this cream contour just gives me cheekbones that I did not have. So the final product that I want to talk to you guys about today is this Saie Sun Melt Natural Cream Bronzer. This isn't a cream contour. However, for other skin tones, it may be. The main reason that I wanted to mention it in this video is because I feel like if you are a beginner that is just starting out with cream products, cream contours, cream bronzers, cream blushes, all of that fun stuff, you need this product. This product is so beginner friendly. You can pack as much as you want onto your face and it will never look overdone. It will never look cakey. It'll never look blotchy or weird, or it'll change the integrity of your foundation. It's such a beginner-friendly product that it's so worth every single penny that you spend on it. The previous cream contours that I've spoken about are really good products that any beginner can go ahead and try out and work with, but this one is one that's really going to be the stepping stone to all the other cream contours that are out there, because this one is so user-friendly. It melts right into the skin. It's good for all skin types, whether you're dry, oily, combo. This is gonna look so flattering on your skin. It's good for the winter, for the summer. There's never a bad time to use this product. And there's never been a time where I've used it that I've been like, this looks horrible on my skin. It's natural enough to the point where I can tell that I added some dimension to my face, but it doesn't look like I packed pounds and pounds of makeup on. It's such a great product. It's not technically a cream contour, at least not on me, but I wanted to mention it because if you're looking to dip your toes into the cream contours and cream products that you put on your face, this is a fantastic stepping stone. Alright you guys, so those are my top 5 cream contour recommendations that I believe to be worth every single penny that you pay for them. I wanted to include a lot of drugstore options, a lot of high-end options, and a lot of beginner-friendly options because I feel like you can't really go wrong with those. I have tried quite a few cream products and these are the ones I know to be good and workable and really anyone friendly no matter what level of makeup you are in. So if you guys did enjoy the video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Make sure if you have not already that you are subscribed to my channel and that you hit the little bell so you are always notified when I upload a new video. Let me know if you have tried any of these cream contours, if you like them, if you have any other suggestions, what's in your top 5 for your cream contours. I would love to know and try them out. And I think that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope that you all enjoyed. I know that I did, and I will see you all in my next one.